Imagine waking up, spending a few hours at your computer, and by the end of the day having earned $1,000. Not in a month, not in a week, but in a single day. And here's the kicker. You don't need any prior experience, no special degrees, no coding skills, and minimal startup cash. Sounds impossible, right? Too good to be true? Today I'm going to pull back the curtain and show you the exact step-by-step strategy for how artificial intelligence made this a reality for many, and how it can for you too. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a demonstration of a revolutionary earning potential that AI has unlocked. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to generating significant income with nothing but your computer and these powerful tools. I know what you're thinking. $1,000 in a day with no experience? That's an extraordinary claim. And you're right to be skeptical. Traditionally, earning that kind of money in a short period required specialized skills, years of training, or a significant financial investment. But we are living in an unprecedented era, an era powered by artificial intelligence. AI has democratized skills that were once exclusive. It has transformed complex creative tasks into accessible workflows. It acts as your personal expert, your design studio, your content writer, and your marketing genius, all rolled into one, and often for free. Today we're not just talking about theory. We're breaking down actionable strategies that leverage AI to create high-value products and services, allowing individuals with no prior background in design, writing, or complex digital marketing to tap into lucrative online markets. The goal isn't necessarily to hit $1,000 every day from tomorrow, but to illustrate the immense earning capacity AI provides once you master its application. This is about showing you the potential and the methodology for achieving such a feat. So, what AI tools are we talking about? While there are hundreds emerging, our focus today is on two of the most powerful and accessible. ChatGPT. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is your conversational AI powerhouse. Think of it as a super intelligent research assistant, a lightning-fast writer, a brainstorming partner, and a problem solver, all in one. You can use it to generate ideas, write articles, craft ad copy, summarize complex information, and even create detailed prompts for other AIs. Best of all, a powerful free version is readily available. MidJourney. This is your visual design studio. MidJourney is an AI image generator that can create stunning, unique images from simple text descriptions. From realistic photographs to intricate illustrations, logos, and abstract art, MidJourney turns your imagination into visuals with incredible speed. It operates via Discord, and its free tier allows you to generate a significant number of images to get started. The magic happens when ideas and structure, while MidJourney provides the captivating visuals. This synergy allows you to produce high-quality digital assets and services that are in high demand across various online marketplaces. And remember, the no experience needed part means you don't need to be a graphic designer or a professional writer. You just need to learn how to effectively communicate with these AI tools, what we call prompting. Our first path to potentially earning $1,000 in a day involves creating and selling high-volume digital products. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once, and they can be sold thousands of times, generating passive income. With AI, the creation process is astonishingly fast. What kind of products? AI-generated coloring books, highly popular, low cost to produce. Unique digital art prints, posters, aesthetic pieces for home decor, printable planners and journals, customized templates for organization, unique sticker packs or clip art bundles, for digital designers or crafters. The $1,000 in a day. Logic. To hit this target with digital products, you need volume. For example, selling 200 copies of a $5 digital product or 100 copies of a $10 product. This isn't about selling one expensive item. It's about setting up a system for numerous small sales. Step-by-step workflow, using ChatGPT and MidJourney. Phase 1. Idea generation and niche research. ChatGPT. Prompt. ChatGPT. Brainstorm 10 niche ideas for AI-generated printable coloring books that would appeal to adults on Etsy. Focus on unique themes. ChatGPT might suggest mandala patterns with space themes, retro 80s aesthetics, fantasy creatures in nature, mindfulness and affirmations. Refine with ChatGPT. For mandala patterns with space themes, give me 20 specific unique concepts for coloring pages, suitable for MidJourney prompts. Make them descriptive. ChatGPT might provide. A complex mandala infused with nebulae and swirling galaxies, geometric patterns surrounding an astronaut floating in deep space, etc. Phase 2. Visual creation. MidJourney, guided by ChatGPT. Input ChatGPT prompts into MidJourney. Take ChatGPT's detailed descriptions and input them into MidJourney. Example prompt for MidJourney. Intricate black and white line art coloring page. Complex mandala pattern infused with nebulae and swirling galaxies. Highly detailed, clean lines. White background. No shading. AR 1:1. MidJourney generates variations. You select the best ones, upscale them, and perhaps clean them up slightly with a free online editor if needed. Batch creation. Generate dozens, even hundreds of images using this method. The speed of MidJourney is key here. You can create a full coloring book in hours, not weeks. Phase 3. Product assembly and listing. Compile your product. Use free tools like Canva or Google Docs to assemble your coloring pages into a PDF. Files. For digital platform choice. Etsy. Ideal for unique, handcrafted, even AI-assisted digital items like art prints, planners, and coloring pages. Huge audience. Gumroad. Great for selling digital products directly with minimal fees and easy setup. Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. For low-content books like coloring books or journals. You upload the PDF and Amazon handles printing and shipping, if it's a physical product, but we focus on digital downloads here, or print on demand. Craft your listing. ChatGPT again. Prompt ChatGPT. Write a compelling Etsy product description for an adult space mandala coloring book. Include keywords like stress relief, relaxation, printable art, digital download. Suggest 10 relevant tags. ChatGPT generates a detailed description and tags. Use these to optimize your listing for search. The scalability factor. Once your digital product is listed, it's available 24/7. Your focus then shifts to marketing, e.g., using Pinterest, TikTok, or even AI-generated social media posts for promotion, and creating more products. The $1,000 in a day becomes achievable when you have a portfolio of popular digital products consistently selling. Many creators have dozens, even hundreds of these small products generating daily income. Our second path focuses on offering AI-powered niche service bundles. While digital products scale horizontally, services allow for a higher price point per project, helping you hit that $1,000 mark faster with fewer sales. AI significantly reduces your delivery time, making you incredibly competitive. What kind of service bundles? Premium blog post and image packages. Businesses constantly need engaging blog content with unique visuals. Social media content and graphic bundles. High demand for cohesive, eye-catching social media campaigns. Ad copy and visual concept packs. For businesses needing quick, compelling ad material. Ebook or lead magnet creation. Text plus cover. Authors and marketers need this constantly. The $1,000 in a day logic. With higher value services, you don't need hundreds of sales. For example, selling just 4 premium blog post and image packages at $250 each will get you to $1,000. The key is delivering high quality quickly. Step-by-step workflow, using ChatGPT and MidJourney. Phase 1. Identify high-demand niche service. Research platforms. Browse Fiverr and Upwork. Look at what services are selling well in content creation, digital art, or marketing. Identify gaps or areas where you can offer more value. Consider your interest. What topics do you find interesting? Health, finance, technology, lifestyle? Niche down to serve specific clients. AI-powered content for wellness coaches. Phase 2. Craft your service bundle and workflow. Define your offering. Don't just sell a blog post. Sell a premium AI-powered blog post and image bundle. ChatGPT first. Prompt ChatGPT for outlines. I need to offer a premium AI-powered blog post and image bundle for small e-commerce businesses. Give me a typical workflow for generating a 1,000-word blog post and 3 relevant image prompts using ChatGPT and MidJourney. Include key prompting strategies. ChatGPT will provide a detailed plan. This is your operating manual. Phase 3. Content and visual creation. ChatGPT and MidJourney. Example project. 1,000-word blog post on sustainable living for beginners, plus 3 unique AI images. Blog post creation, ChatGPT. Prompt ChatGPT. Write a detailed 1,000-word blog post on sustainable living for beginners. Include an intro, 4 actionable tips with explanations, and a conclusion. Use an encouraging, accessible tone. Include relevant keywords for SEO. ChatGPT drafts the entire post. You'll spend minutes reviewing and slightly refining it for a natural flow. Image prompt generation, ChatGPT. Prompt ChatGPT. Based on the blog post about sustainable living for beginners, generate 3 specific MidJourney image prompts. Focus on visuals that are inspiring, eco-friendly, and represent actionable tips like reusing items, reducing waste, and sustainable gardening. Include style, aspect ratio, and quality parameters. ChatGPT might provide a vibrant and clean image of a person happily sorting colorful recycling bins in a modern, sunlit home, emphasizing organization and eco-friendliness. Photorealistic, cinematic lighting, R16:9. Artistic flat lay of upcycled everyday items creatively transformed into new products, demonstrating resourcefulness and reducing waste. Warm natural light, minimalist background, still life photography, R11. A serene community garden with diverse people harvesting fresh produce, healthy and sustainable living. Lush greenery, soft focus background, natural light, inspiring, R16:9. Visual creation, MidJourney. Input ChatGPT's image prompts into MidJourney. Generate, refine, and select the best visuals. Phase 4. Package and market your service. Create your gig service offering. On platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, create a compelling gig or profile. Use your AI-generated example content and images as your portfolio. Pricing. Price competitively, but value your time and the incredible speed AI provides. A package like the blog post plus images can easily command $150 to $300, depending on length and complexity. Marketing. Share your services on social media. Reach out to small businesses. Demonstrate how you can deliver high-quality content faster and more affordably than traditional methods. The efficiency advantage. A blog post that might take a traditional writer 4 to 6 hours and a designer another 2 to 3 hours can be generated, refined, and packaged by you in 1 to 2 hours using AI. This efficiency allows you to take on more clients or charge premium rates for $1,000 a day goal. Let's bring it all together and see how these models combine to make that $1,000 a day target achievable. This isn't about working 24 hours straight. It's about leverage, efficiency, and scale enabled by AI. Scenario 1. Focusing on digital products. You create a bundle of 5 unique AI-generated coloring books. Each sells for $5. You need to sell 200 copies across your portfolio in a day to reach $1,000. This requires having a significant number of products listed and optimized, driving consistent traffic. Once established, the sales can be highly passive. Many successful Etsy sellers generate thousands a day from hundreds of low-priced digital products. Your initial effort is in creating the products and optimizing listings. Scenario 2. Focusing on service bundles. You offer a premium AI-powered blog post and image bundle for $250. You need to complete 4 such bundles in a day to reach $1,000. As we discussed, each bundle might take 1 to 2 hours of your active work, prompting, refining. So 4 bundles could be completed in 4 to 8 hours. This means actively seeking clients on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, building your reputation, and optimizing your gig to attract orders. Scenario 3. The hybrid approach, most realistic. You have a portfolio of digital products bringing in, say, $300 to $500 passively from previous efforts. You then take on 2 to 3 service bundles, earning an additional $500 to $750. Total, $800 to $1,250 in a day. The $1,000 in a day goal becomes achievable not from day 1, but from a day in the life of an optimized, AI-powered earner. It requires learning effective prompting. This is your primary skill. Identifying market demand. What do people actually want to buy? Consistency. Regularly creating new products or delivering high-quality services. Leveraging platforms. Knowing where to sell your creations. AI doesn't just cut down effort, it multiplies your output. It's the ultimate force multiplier for anyone looking to generate serious income online, regardless of their background. The power of AI to transform your earning potential is no longer theory. It's a rapidly unfolding reality. Here are the key takeaways. AI is your ultimate equalizer. It allows you to produce expert-level content and products without years of training. Focus on the workflow. Master the art of prompting ChatGPT and MidJourney. This is your new superpower. Demand is high. Businesses and individuals are hungry for quality content and unique digital assets. Scalability is within reach. Whether through multiple digital product sales or efficient high-value services, AI enables unprecedented output. It requires action. AI is a tool. Your effort in learning, creating, and marketing is what turns potential into profit. The future of earning is about leveraging intelligent tools. Embrace this shift. Apply these strategies. Significant income powered by AI starts now. If this deep dive into making $1,000 in a day with AI has ignited your imagination and given you actionable steps, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help the AI dollar reach more people ready to transform their financial lives. What's the first AI-powered side hustle you're going to try? Or what other income strategies would you like us to explore? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you're serious about making money with AI, investing smarter, and building passive income streams, make sure you subscribe to the AI dollar right now and hit that notification bell. We're constantly uncovering the most powerful AI strategies for your financial success. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.